There's a shortage in Sriracha right now. People are paying ridiculous amount. The price are freaking at all-time high. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make it at home. Let's dive into the recipe. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. They can't be right. They can't be right. There's got to be more ingredients. It says it has just chili, sugar, salt, and garlic. That can't be it. There's a lot of processed ingredients in here. And I taste savory in here. So to add savoriness to this, to mimic that savoriness in here, for you guys who followed me for a while now, knows what's in here. My magic dust, if you know, you know. Mix shit good with some MSG. And mix. Now that tastes like Sriracha. That was perfect. I'm gonna do this again, but next time I'm gonna ferment the pepper. Wow, get that color. This is perfect. It's spicy, it's acidic, it's garlicky, it's savory. This would be perfect for anything. Give it a try. Tag me if you guys try my recipe. I'll see you guys next time.